Had a pretty significant leak above the bathroom.
Yeah,
there
a
was
couple different leaks.
a couple soft spots. John did a free analysis for us, cut a core in the roof. It was clear as day that we had an issue when you guys came.
I was surprised how saturated it was.
John came out, gave us the expert opinion because we don't know anything about roofing. Asked him a few questions, figured out the best way of going about it. John basically found where the leak was coming from. The new process, as John explained to me, was the new ISO board and got the roof actually sloping again.
Right.
Before it was kind of bellied there in the middle, but now it's tapering nicely. And
Yeah.
you also recommended the white
TPO.
cover, or
Yeah.
perhaps that's kind of standard now. When you put the white roof on, our electric bill actually came down a few dollars.
Yeah, that's an advantage.
One really cool thing was the video you did on the roof there for us
Inspection video,
to
nice.
see and explain everything.
You could put a slope on the roof. The pro to that is it's an insulative material. So it's called ISO board, and it's a sloped or tapered system. We start with a ½ inch down here and slope it a ¼ inch per foot up to the wall.
I was impressed that it happened in a single day, which was nice.
I'm curious, did anybody else do like an inspection video?
No videos, no.
Okay.
Not everybody's willing to do flat roofs or commercial roofs.
Right.
But when we found that there was a tar roof under the rubber roof, you came out in person just to check it out, make sure the removal was going smoothly. I'd say that was a challenge. We didn't know that was going to be underneath there.
Yep.
You guys know what you're doing, because that thing was all sorts of wonky. And it was almost impossible to get it to flow perfectly based on the dips. But
Right.
take care of it.
Yeah.
I would certainly recommend Joyland Roofing. The experience is easy. Very pleased. I can't think of anything negative to say.
Thanks for trusting us. Working in the contracting world, I'm sure you've seen your share of, shady contractors or guys that can't be trusted.
Thanks, John.
Love it.